So firstly, this is the desktop. This is Manjaro. Here's the system. So let's go on to the other thing that I've learned. This is how to make a macOS virtual machine, which is cool. So firstly, we need to install the packages like that. Press enter, and that will install. It will take a while because it's a lot of dependencies. Actually, it took 12 seconds. It's pretty cool. Press X. So first we need to need to copy this, to which will make things a bit easier. So first we go into our Explorer, and then we go to root, var, and then lib. Where is it? Libvirt, and then images. And now we open in terminal, and I'm gonna go into root because it will make things a bit easier. But anyway, so now we will have this side by side just to make things a bit more easier. And so inside of here there is nothing. So first we do git clone, and then we do Control-Shift-P, and then at the end we do a dot, to which will go into the directory. So now we have all of these files, but we're not done yet. So here we need to copy this command, just paste, and I'm going to change this part to Catalina, like that. Press enter, and now that will download macOS, which is kind of weird. Anyway, now it has been completed. So now over here we have a new disk called basesystem.img. Alright, down here now we need to make a disk, and this is how you do it. So copy, paste, press enter, and that will create a disk inside of here, and it's called mymdisk.qcow2, and then you copy this, and you open an editing program like gedit, and you go to basic.ch. It looks like we don't have it or something. So let's do sudo pacman .s. You'll do so it's called gedit. yes, and I'll install. Like, it's a much better understanding program. So now in here we just paste in this stuff, and boom, we just press save and exit. Wait, so it's been changed. Yes, it has. So now we just boot up the virtual machine, and we install macOS. So first we have to do /basic .ch, and that will open this thing, to which is QEMU, and now press enter, boot macOS install from macOS base system, and this will take about a minute to boot. So it's still booting, but yeah. What's this? On all desktops. Okay, I do that, or may not. Anyway, so here is pause, reset, power down, full view. You can go full screen, zoom in, out, best fit, and everything. Like QEMU is good, but the only problem is that it is very bad at trying to do full screen, because if it like reboots, then the aspect ratio does not fix itself, which is kind of annoying. Anyway, here press erase. Anyway, it's done, and then you press exit. So this part isn't very important, so that we can install. But anyway, now we press reinstall macOS. I'm not sure why it says this. I think it's because like this installer is made for like trying to maybe fix your Mac or something, and it's not meant to be for installing macOS from the ground up. Anyway. Press agree, and now select my disk and install, and this will take about like an hour, so be patient. Anyway, I'll be back in like 2 hours once it's done. But anyway, yeah. So once it reboots, you boot from my disk like that, and it should boot again. And this time, I think it's gonna go through like the last part of the installation. So yeah, I'll see you then. So this is what you will see when it's doing this process. So at the moment it is at 40 minutes remaining, and at the end of this it will be finished, which is pretty exciting. But yeah, so I think at this point the this part gets stuck. So then you have to reset, to which will help to unstuck itself. Anyway, so now you boot from the pre-booter or something. Yeah, pre-booter, and it will do a similar process, but this time it will go through and complete the installation. So yeah, I'll see you then. So now we have the setup, or I guess you could call it the OOBE, and we're going to, and I'm going to set this up, and I'll see you once I'm done. So here we are. We are now it is now almost finished. So we shall be on the desktop in any second. But anyway, it's weird that it thinks it's an iMac. Anyway, so yeah, this is the desktop. Let's go full screen. Oh yes, this thing. You can ignore this. Has everything stopped lagging? Let's open Finder. But yeah, this is a macOS virtual machine, and personally, this is the first time I have ever got to kind of see what macOS is like, because I've since I don't have a MacBook or anything, so I don't have a powerful computer for an Hackintosh, and macOS is kind of only isn't really that useful, because it can do the same things as Windows. The only difference is just I don't know, it's great for coding and stuff, but or if you want to use a program like Adobe, but other than that, there isn't much. So yeah, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.